ElevenLabs Review, Usage Experience. ElevenLabs is an advanced AI-driven text-to-speech platform designed to provide high-quality, human-like voiceovers. It offers a range of features, including customizable voice styles, emotion-rich tones, and an impressive library of natural-sounding voices, making it perfect for content creators, marketers, audiobooks, e-learning, and more. The platform's standout feature is its ability to clone voices, allowing you to upload your own voice or choose from a selection of voices that can be tailored for any project. What makes ElevenLabs especially compelling is its cutting-edge AI that produces voices with natural inflections, pauses, and even emotional nuances, creating a level of realism that's hard to match in the text-to-speech space. In terms of usability, ElevenLabs is user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, so even beginners can navigate it with ease. After signing up, the process is straightforward. You input your text, select a voice, tweak settings, and hit play. The platform allows for some fine-tuning, giving you control over pitch, speed, and tone, which is critical when producing voiceovers that fit the mood and purpose of your content. The voice quality itself is top-notch, crispy clear, and close to a real human voice, which is crucial if you're creating content where authenticity matters, such as podcasts or video narrations. For those with a more specific need, ElevenLabs' voice cloning feature adds a huge advantage. Whether you need to replicate an existing voice or want a completely original tone, this feature makes it possible with just a few steps. The AI learns the unique characteristics of a voice, and once trained, it can produce consistent, natural-sounding audio. Another notable strength of ElevenLabs is its language support. Currently, it offers a wide array of languages, ensuring that no matter where you are or what market you're targeting, ElevenLabs can handle it. Overall, ElevenLabs offers powerful functionality and realistic voice generation at a level that few competitors can match. Whether you're looking to create engaging audio content, automate your processes, or add a personal touch to your projects, ElevenLabs delivers. The advanced customization, high-quality voices, and ease of use make it a must-try for anyone in need of professional-grade text-to-speech.